What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the new video. If you're new on this channel and here for the first time, my name is Shiax and I do car related content. So from DIY modifications to long-term review of these mods, and slowly I'm starting to do reviews of my friends' car builds and show you what they've done with their car. So make sure you go check out some of my other videos, and there are plenty of mods on its way, so don't forget to hit that bell notification so you'll never miss a video. And obviously, if you do, hit that subscribe button. I'll love you forever, so there's that. As you can see, I wanted to give you a POV experience of exactly how it feels to sit in the cockpit of this beast. Luckily, the weather wasn't too bad when I was filming this. It was sunny but also really cold, and the roads were definitely damp, and you'll probably notice me losing traction here and there, but that's not really a surprise when you drive a rear wheel drive car with this much power and torque. I legit, like when it snowed yesterday, I legit couldn't move the car. It spun out so many times and gave me so much anxiety driving it. And when I got back home, because I was actually out at the time it started snowing, so when I got back home I couldn't even drive it up onto my driveway. It was ridiculous. Like, I thought my car was stuck for a second, but luckily I was able to move it. But yeah, thank God the sun's out again, and hopefully we can get this snow all melted off and we can start driving the car like normal again. But I wanted to touch on the fact that a couple of people actually approached me about the ghost from my last video. So if you haven't seen that video, guys, I basically did a little reaction kind of video with my sister when she drives my car. So click this link on the top left corner here, or your top right, sorry, and you'll be able to go watch it there. So at the start of the video you see me meddling with a couple of buttons before I actually started the car up, and that's exactly what you have to do with this ghost. So essentially it's a sequence you create with a couple of buttons. You have the options obviously in any order, so you create the sequence and you have to input the sequence every time you want to start the car up. And if you don't input the sequence, or the code is entered incorrectly, your engine will completely cut off. And yeah, as I mentioned from my previous video, this is why my sister thought the car was kind of broken, because she had no idea how to start it again. Once it cuts off, you need to obviously restart the engine and re-put the code in. If you don't put the code in, obviously it's not going to work. So yeah, I guarantee you'll have a good laugh if you watch that video. So yeah, go check it out if you want. And yeah, it's definitely a good device to get. It costs £450, so it's not cheap, but I think when you have a car such as I do, with a lot of modifications and a lot of money put into it, I wouldn't want it getting stolen off my driveway, if you know what I mean. So I think it's definitely a worthy investment, and there are a couple other devices you could get that offer a similar type of feature, I guess. So like tracking, GPS tracking, immobilizer, and so on. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description below, so go check it out. And yeah, I don't want to ramble on too much in this video. I wanted you guys to experience exactly how it feels whilst in the cabin of my car. So keep an ear out for all the pops and bangs here and there. Honestly, when I was filming this, they sounded amazing in person. It doesn't sound too bad in the video, to be fair. So I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure you do the usual, like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.